In this video, we're going to look at how you roll out a rota. So once you've built that first week's view from the Monday to the Sunday, we're now presented with two additional options in the setup: roll out and repeat rota. For rolling out a rota, what this means is that what you see in that first week's view will roll from one user to the next user throughout the entirety of the rota. So for instance, what Harry Eves is currently working in this first week's view, Tessa Turnberry will be working next week, and so on and so forth. This is perfect for a rolling shift pattern rota. All we need to do is click rollout, and we can now see where it previously said 5-day shifts, it now says 55-day shifts, 35 long shifts, 35 night shifts and 20 weekends, which confirms that it has been consecutively rolled out for the entirety of the rota. To double check this, all we need to do is flick from one week to the next week. If something doesn't look right, all you need to do is hit setup and undo the rollout. Now you can see if you return to that first week view, only those Monday to Sunday shifts exist.